Is it just me, or does it feel like the market is holding its breath? Let's hear your thoughts. Any recent trades or market trends you're curious about? I'm looking at a long trade for BTC USD at 117,957.4. The price is bouncing off a solid support level, and we've seen an increase in buying volume, which is promising. If we can hold above this level and get a strong close on the next candle, I'm feeling good about this entry. Just watching for any signs of weakness or reversal patterns that could come up. Looks like we're in a bit of a holding pattern today. What are you all thinking about the current market conditions? Any trades or strategies you want to discuss? Looking at the BTC USDT chart, I see a potential breakout forming right at the resistance level, which could lead to a long opportunity. If we can get a solid close above it with increased volume, that might be the signal we need to enter. Just keeping an eye on the RSI to ensure we're not overbought when we make that move. What's everyone's take on the market right now? Any recent trades or setups you want to share while we wait for a good entry? Why is it so quiet today? Let's get some discussion going. Any thoughts on your last trades or questions about the current market trends? Looking at the BTC USDT chart, I'm noticing a potential pin bar forming at this resistance level, which could indicate a reversal. If we see a close below that level with decent volume, it might set up a short opportunity. Just keeping an eye on the RSI to make sure we're not heading into oversold territory before making a move. It's a bit slow on the trading front today. What are your thoughts on the current market dynamics? Any trades you've been eyeing or questions that are on your mind? Anyone else feeling the market's tension right now? Let's share thoughts. What trades are you considering or any insights you have that could spark a discussion? Looking at the BTC USDT chart, I see a potential breakout forming above a key resistance level. If we can get a solid close above it with increased volume, that might be a strong signal to enter a long position. Just watching for any signs of exhaustion in the candles that could indicate a reversal before committing. Why is it so quiet today? Let's shake things up. Any trades or market insights you want to share while we wait for better entries? It feels like we're all just waiting for the market to. Hello, how can I help you? Hey folks, it's a quiet day in the market. What's on your mind? Any questions about your last trades or thoughts on potential setups? Noticing a potential break of resistance here on the BTC USDT chart, and the volume is picking up nicely. If we see a solid close above this level, it could set us up for a long entry. Keep an eye on the next few candles. They'll tell us if the momentum is really there. Why is it so quiet today? I'd love to hear your thoughts on the market or any trades you're considering while we wait for a good setup. It's a bit slow today, isn't it? What are your thoughts on recent price action or any setups you're eyeing while we wait for the right moment? Looking at the BTC USDT chart, I can see a strong candlestick pattern forming, looks like an engulfing pattern at a key support level. If we get a confirmation candle here, it might be a good opportunity for a long trade. I'm keeping an eye on the volume to see if it supports the move upward. Why is everyone so quiet today? Any thoughts on what you're seeing in the market or trades you've taken recently? Seems like we're in a holding pattern today. What's on your mind about the current market? Or do you have any trades you want to discuss while we wait? It's a bit of a waiting game right now. What are you all thinking about the market? Any recent trades or strategies you want to share while we look for a good setup? There's a divergence forming between the price and the RSI on the BTC USDT chart, which is interesting. If we see a solid rejection at this resistance level, it might set us up for a short entry. Watching for confirmation here could be key for our next move. Hi, how can I help you? Hello, ready to dive into some trading insights? Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, I'm here to help break things down. What's on your mind today? When considering XRP, it really depends on your analysis and market conditions. If you're bullish on the project and believe in its potential for growth, a long position might be suited for you. However, if you think the market is about to